Hello and welcome back to my 30-day yoga challenge. Today is day 20. We're going to be looking at alternative nostril breathing, or in Sanskrit it's called Nadi Shodhanam. So take a moment and find a comfortable position sitting down. You may prefer to sit on some blocks to raise the hips up, which will help release any tension in your lower back if you've got any discomfort in your lower back or you're not used to sitting on the floor. So make sure you find a comfortable position, and then when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a moment just to observe how you're feeling, noticing how is the breath. The spine nice and tall, and just relaxing the shoulders down the back. Or gently open the eyes when you're ready. So in alternative nostril breathing, we only use one hand. So today we're going to use the right hand. We're going to use the thumb of the right hand to cover the right side of the nostril, and the ring finger of the left hand to cover the left side of the nostril. So we'll first take a breath in through both nostrils, then cover the right side with the thumb and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left, cover with the finger and exhale through the right. Inhale through the same side. Cover with the thumb and exhale through the left. Inhale through the same side. Cover with your finger and exhale through the right. Inhale through the same side. Cover with your thumb and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Cover with the finger and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Cover with the finger and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Cover with the finger and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Cover with the thumb and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Cover with the finger and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Cover and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Cover with the finger and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Cover with the thumb and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Cover with the finger and exhale through the right. We'll do one more on each side. So inhale through the right. Cover with the thumb and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Cover with the finger or end, exhaling through the right. On the end of your exhale, just lower your hand down and take a few slow breaths in, through both nostrils. Keeping the eyes closed, just observe how your body feels now. Do you feel any differences in your mind? Is your mind more active, more relaxed? Has your physical posture changed? So relaxing the shoulders once more, readjusting the posture. So just take a moment just to observe how this affects you. So remember, the more you practice any form of conscious breathing, the more natural and relaxing it will become. So we'll very gently start to blink open the eyes, getting your eyes used to being open. Breathing normally. Thank you very much for watching this practice today. When you're ready, bring the hands together in front of the heart, and we'll finish with Namaste. Namaste. If you've enjoyed this practice, please click on like button below, and please also leave me a comment. Please remember to also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sarah Lane Therapies. I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.